My extensions are so easy. So ladies, if you wished you were born with more hair, do you wish you could just have more beautiful curl that lasted all day? Well, let me show you exactly how easy it is to throw in the Toni extensions. The first thing I'm going to do is simply part my hair off about at the temples, okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect. Use something to secure and hold that hair up out of your way. Now let's open up all the pressure sensitive clips on the underneath side of your extension. I want you to notice you get 3 layers of hair. That's an enormous amount of beautiful soft curls. Okay, let me show you how easy it is to attach these extensions. All I'm simply going to do is find where I parted my hair off. I'm going to use the pressure sensitive clips and just simply clip to secure. There's 6 pressure sensitive clips and that holds securely into place. I drop my own hair. Now look at the instant volume that I have. A little bit of hair is great, but a little bit more is a bonus. We're going to give you a bonus also. Now ladies, a lot of you might have a thinner side than one, or maybe you want to create a layered look. So I'm going to provide this bonus piece extension for you as well. Now this is 2 layers of hair and there's 4 clips. So all I'm simply going to do is attach this a little higher so that it blends beautifully in with my other extension, giving me extra layers, extra volume. And again, when I drop my hair, it will be absolutely undetectable. Drop my hair and wow, even more volume than before.